So I've been seeing a lot of people getting into furniture flipping, and as I'm watching all these videos, I'm like, this looks like a lot of fun, especially coming from a person who's done a lot of renovations. Why not just try furniture flipping and see how it goes? And I found 2 free dressers on Facebook Market, and I decided to grab them because, I mean, they're free. Why not? I've never picked up free furniture before, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I've learned from furniture flipping and what I probably won't do ever again, what I will take with me to the next project, and yeah, I'm gonna have to rethink a little bit of furniture flipping because free furniture might not always be the best furniture.
When I got these pieces, I was like, man, for free, this is awesome. It's going to be so easy, but I was somewhat wrong. I first started off by removing some of the veneers, and I regret this decision. Looking back, I'm like, ugh, but I kept going. Cleaned everything up as much as I possibly could, and a lot of patching. I wish I would have patched just a little bit better because I forgot a lot of spots, which was very time consuming. And then I got to the fun part, chopping off the entire base of one of the dressers to add a custom base to it, which turned out to be really dope, which you'll get to see near the end of the video. Sanding. I did a lot of it. You're not going to see it in this video because there was a ton of content of me just sanding the fronts, the exteriors, the interiors. I mean, just everything had to be sanded. It sucked. I regret updating the drawer slides, but I had to because one was broken and I couldn't find a replacement, so they all had to get changed. But oh well, you gotta do what you gotta do. And then onto priming. And this part, I didn't realize how much painting I'd have to do. Next time, I'm gonna stick to just painting the exteriors and the fronts of the dressers, not the interiors.
Oh my gosh. Well, I just finished painting the first coat of primer on all of these pieces. There's a couple of spots that I still have to touch up a little bit. Yeah, this is a lot of work. Who would have known that doing 3 at one time was a lot of work?
I'm a perfectionist, so I'm going to work throughout the remainder of the evening. But man, look at that sunset.
It is the morning. I still got this entire section to do. It's all dried. There's still quite a bit of work on some of these things, but today is Monday. It's super early in the morning. I got all my work emails done. And now let's go ahead and start this project. Or finish this project and start it.
Now, because I missed a couple spots in the very first round of patching, I had to repatch and then resand again. And then put some more primer on just to make sure that everything is sticking to the surface. And then I can actually start painting it, which, by golly gee, I was so excited to start painting. One step closer to getting these dressers completed. I had to figure out a nice little system where I could rotate everything and make sure that it was going according to plan. But at some point, things just started going downhill. Could it get any worse? Yeah. It could get worse. I could work through the remainder of the night. Even the power went out, and I had to work with what I had. But you know what? That's not gonna bring me down. I gotta keep on moving.
Pretty much completed. I gotta move them in just a second because it's about to snow, and I don't need them covered in snow because that would be horrible. So I gotta move them all into this covered area. I'm trying to get done today, but that didn't happen, and that's okay. Tomorrow is going to be the day.
I'm not gonna lie though, I really enjoyed working on this project. Boy, did it turn out amazing.
For my first time making a base, I mean, look at that. Would you just look at that? What a sad day.
I went a little crazy on the patching, so I'm just going to retouch a couple of spots up again, which I kind of regret doing this because I had to repaint everything with my spray paint gun to make it look just seamless. And when I started staining my base, I thought I grabbed a golden stain. Turns out I grabbed the wrong can and I used the wrong stain, so I had to sand everything down and remove all the color before I sealed it. But that's okay, because now I can put everything together, reassemble all the slides, which took a little bit longer than usual because these were a custom build, which took longer than expected, but got the job done. Kind of got the job done.
Never again getting free equipment. Never again. Okay, you better fit or I'm gonna kill you. Please. Please. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Finally. A little wobbly here, but I will fix that with little shims. Okay, shims will go underneath and get rid of all that wiggly. Finally. Finally. Okay. 4 more to go. 3 more to go. I am so tired from working on these dressers. It was supposed to be a weekend project and it turned out to be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It is currently now Wednesday. So I am just ready to take photos of these, put them online, and just get rid of them. The first person that wants them, just take them, please. I can get my money back so I can do my next flip. I don't know what that's gonna be, but it's definitely not gonna be free furniture in the Facebook market. Real chill right now. Somebody just posted on Facebook Market, essentially giving away a free bookshelf. It looks in really great condition. I hope it's still there. Please, Lord, let it be there. 30 more minutes and you're gonna be out of my life. I swear to God.